From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
It was mainly quiet during the early evening hours, but that's going to be changing, especially after about 11 or 12 o'clock as the thunderstorm complex moves southward through the area from the Ohio Valley. We'll have shower and thunderstorm chances increasing as we head after midnight here. Temperatures not getting out of the mid-60s for morning lows unless they rain cool down to the lower 60s, but showers and thunderstorms likely, especially after 11 or 12. Some of the rainfall locally heavy, but not expecting any severe storms across the area, although you can never rule out a stray severe thunderstorm warning. Chance of that extremely low tonight, as thunderstorms will be weakening as they move in, moving in sometime between 12 and 1, and then southward through 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock. From north to south across the area, I think most of southern middle Tennessee overspread by rain by 2 a.m. and then moving into North Alabama somewhere between about 1:30 to maybe 3 o'clock. Showers and thunderstorms associated with that. Maybe some gusty winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour. The thunder may wake you up overnight, but not really expecting a severe weather threat with this, as the storms will be weakening as they move in. Lingering showers in toward the daybreak hours. Maybe some scattered additional development trying to get going around midday. And then our daytime highs are going to depend on how much sunshine we get for the afternoon. Think that 91 in Florence is being overdone by Futurecast. That is raw model output. That's not the official forecast. I want to make that clear. But if we get a good bit of sunshine, it could be mid to upper 80s through much of North Alabama, lower 80s over southern middle Tennessee. However, additional afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms just pop up random in nature are possible. And that's how much of the week's going to be. This is that summertime pattern starting early, where it's beyond the capabilities of the science to tell you exactly in your town, on your side of the street, where it's going to rain down to the minute. If you've lived here for a while, you know that's just impossible, but there will be daily chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms. They could happen in the morning, they could happen in the afternoon, they could happen at night, they could happen at midday. Just pop up in nature. In addition, 1 or 2 days here along this frontal boundary, we may have a thunderstorm complex move through, similar to what we had earlier this morning and similar to what we'll have during the overnight hours tonight. Occasionally, you can get some gusty straight line winds with those. The one tonight looks to be weakening as it moves through, but you can't completely rule out severe thunderstorm warnings when we get these thunderstorm complexes move through. And that's just going to be the name of the game as we go through the weekend. Even the weekend, thunderstorm chances don't go away. In fact, they pick up Sunday to Monday with another cold front dropping down lower 80s or near lower 80s all the way through the week, and mid to upper 80s over the weekend ahead of that front before we drop maybe into the mid to upper 70s by early next week. As you grab your first cup of coffee to head out the door in the morning, temperatures in the mid-60s to start our Tuesday, with showers and thunderstorms from that complex lingering into the area. A lot of this may be winding down towards showers by the time you wake up toward the daybreak hours. And then as we head through our Tuesday, pop-up showers and thunderstorms possible. They may start to settle down as we head late afternoon and the evening. We'll see how that exact timing works out. Highs in the low to mid-80s here. You saw 83 on the chart, but 81 for the point forecast. That's going to be because there's going to be a spread across the area. It's going to be between 80 to 83 across southern middle Tennessee. It's going to be between 83 to as high as 87 over northwest Alabama. You know, this is not a one number place around here. Lower 80s through Wednesday, 79 to 80 or so for Thursday. Pop-up showers and thunderstorms. We'll watch for an occasional thunderstorm complex to come through. Warmer over the weekend ahead of that front that brings an increased shower and thunderstorm chances Sunday and the Monday, and maybe back to the 70s to start early next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's back in the morning with another update to your local weather.